Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete Wix account permanently. For that, first of all, you just have to launch your web browser and in the search bar you will have to type wix.com. After that, you just have to log in into your account first. Now once you have successfully logged in, you need to navigate to the top right hand corner and you will have to click on your profile icon. After that, you need to click on account settings. Then once you are in your account settings, you just have to scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find this section in the bottom, which is close your account. But before closing your account, you need to make sure that you move any of the remaining sites into trash, and if your site has any premium plans or domains connected, then you will need to cancel or transfer them first. Now once you do all these things, you will have to click on this close your account tab. Once done, you will be redirected on this account closure page where you will have to provide the reason why you are closing your account. So in order to select the reason, you will have to click on this tab, and here you will be able to see a bunch of different reasons. So you can select any of these as per your convenience. After that, you need to provide the feedback, so you can also skip it as it is optional. After that, to continue, you need to enter your password. So basically in this section you need to provide your current Wix password. After that, you just have to check this box and then you will have to click on the close account tab. Once done, your Wix account will be deleted permanently. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.